Hi friends, let's make a very cooling and very refreshing summer salad today. Onion mint peanut salad. So this very refreshing summer salad, I have taken two large onions cut into rings like this. We can just mix them and separate all the pieces. If you find your rings are very big and the onions which you have taken are very big, you can make them into cut into quarter pieces, then you can do it. I have taken 1 full cup of mint leaves, washed and kept. 1 tablespoon of grated raw mangoes, salt as per taste, and red chili powder just a pinch. And I'll be using half teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of peanuts roasted. So before we assemble everything, first what I am going to make, I am just going to mix this little with my hands so that it becomes little softer. But don't make it very soft. We need the crunchiness for the salad also. But little bit because the onions are little big, so they are little hard sort of things. So we are done this. Now what I do is that I am going to put my mint leaves. Remember, I never cut my mint leaves. The mint leaves should be always torn with your hands and put. The reason being, this is a tip one everybody should be following, because if you cut it with your knife, the mint leaf will turn brown and black very soon. So to keep the greenness and the freshness of the mint leaves, always try to tear it with your hand. You don't have to make it very small pieces, just roughly tear it with your hand, and that's it. Put your raw mango. The mint leaves are added. We are going to put our raw mango grated. This is optional. Since I had raw mangoes, I said let me just use that in this salad. Salt. You can add more salt if you want. Red chilies just to keep color. You can always use little bit of green chilies, but I prefer to use this red chilies. It gives little color to the salad. And your half teaspoon of lemon juice. Let's mix it all together well. So I am adding the peanuts in this and skipping some for the and just mixing it together, and we are done with our salad. It is so refreshing. You would be wanting to make it every day. The quantity of the raw mangoes which we use in this depending on the sourness of the mango. So please check it before you use it, and then you can adjust it accordingly with the lime juice also. So our salad is ready. So let's enjoy it. This cool salad on the hot summer day. So let's enjoy this onion mint salad, which is very refreshing. So a very refreshing onion mint salad is ready. It's so crunchy and so minty, and you will love to have it along with all your meals. So please make it at home and let me know how you liked it. Till I come with another video of something very special like this, please take very good care of yourself. Stay safe. See you. Bye bye.